Good day everyone, especially to you ma'am. I am Norshane Hassan and our topic for today is all about the DNA and RNA. Okay, so DNA and RNA is the two main types of nucleic acid. And DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. Okay, so all living things has a DNA and RNA. From plants, animals, to bacteria, and also to the viruses that even considered as non-living things has a RNA. Okay, so the most important is the human. So tayo ng mga tao is merong DNA and RNA. So we both have DNA and RNA in our bodies because we need them both. So, napakahalaga nito sa ating pagkatao. Okay, so, I will discuss to all of you what is DNA and RNA, what is their function, structure, and also the pairing. Okay, so first, what is DNA? Okay, so DNA is the molecule inside cells that contains the genetic information responsible for development and function of an organisms. So the DNA molecules allow this information to be passed from one generation to the next. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang DNA ay napaka-importanteng bahagi ng sistema ng ating katawan dahil dito napapaloob ang mga namamana natin mula sa ating mga magulang o ninuno. At kung saan dahilan din kung bakit tayo unique o kakaiba mula sa iba. Halimbawa, ako at kayo. Lahat tayo ay magkakaiba dahil sa DNA. Okay, so bakit nga ba mahalaga ang DNA? So, mahalaga ang DNA dahil napapaloob dito ang mga instructions sa sistema ng ating pangangatawan na mahalaga sa ating buhay. Okay, so, matatagpuan ang DNA sa nucleus, sa loob ng cells. Okay, so, next is, what is RNA? Okay, so, RNA, also known as a ribonucleic acid, present in all living cells. Its principal role is to act as a messenger, carrying instruction from the DNA for controlling the synthesis of proteins. And although some viruses RNA rather than DNA carries genetic information. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang RNA is napaka-importanting bahagi ng sistema ng ating katawan dahil siya ang nagdadala ng mga impormasyon or instruction ng DNA upang makabuo ng proteins na mahalaga sa ating paglaki at pangkalahatang pangangatawan. Kung ang katawan ng tao ay ibang organismo ang ang mga katawan ng tao at ibang organism ay may DNA. So sa viruses naman is RNA, mayroong RNA. Okay. So the next is the structure of DNA. Okay, so DNA has a two-stranded molecule that appears twisted, giving it a unique shape referred to as double helix. So, matatagpuan natin ang DNA sa nucleus. So, ang DNA is a long-chain molecule. So, we have three parts of nucleotides, which is the phosphate group, the nitrogenous base, at the deoxyribose sugar. So, ang tawag dito is kapag sa DNA is ang tawag sa sugar is deoxyribose. Pag sa RNA naman is ribose. So ang phosphate group ay kinocompose ito ng 4 oxygen at the deoxyribose naman deoxyribose sugar is composed of carbon and the number 2 is bonded to hydrogen atom. So, the nitrogen base naman ay bonded or dikit siya sa carbon. So, There are 4 types of bases of nitrogen containing regions called the bases. So, ito yung mga tinatawag na bases. Yung mga letter na yan and has a color. So, ito yung mga gina-pair. So, ito yung mga code, genetic code sa mga gene. So, first, we have the adenine, cytosine, guanine, and the last is thymine. So, ito ang 4 na bases na sa loob ng DNA. Okay, so makikita natin dito sa picture ang 4 types of bases. Ang adenine, guanine. So, ang adenine and guanine is a double ring structure. So, at ang cytosine and thymine ay single ring structure. So, ang tawag sa double ring structure na yan ay ang adenine and guanine. So, ang tawag sa dalawa na yan is purine bases. At ang cytosine and thymine naman is pyrimidine. Ang tawag, pyrimidine. So, ang clue para matandaan ang pairing nitong cytosine and thymine ay ang letter Y. So, makikita natin sa pyrimidine na may Y din. So, pyrimidine is the cytosine and thymine. Okay, so next is the structure of RNA. So, RNA is the most often single-stranded. So, makikita natin na yung its structure ng DNA, ng RNA is a single-stranded lang siya. So, an RNA molecule has a backbone made of alternating phosphate groups and the sugar ribose, rather than the deoxyribose found in DNA. Okay, so, yun ang sinasabi ko, yung tawag sa sugar ng DNA is deoxyribose. Sa RNA naman is ribose. Okay, so ang structure naman ng RNA is single-stranded. So nakikita natin sa picture na single lang talaga siya. So katulad din ng sa DNA is mayroon din siyang 3 types of nucleotides. The phosphate sugar, the nitrogenous base. Pero ang tawag sa yung tawag sa sugar is ribose. Okay, so attached in sugar is merong 4 bases din. The adenine, cytosine, guanine. At ang pang-apat is uracil. Sa RNA is uracil. Tapos sa DNA naman is thymine. Yun lang ang pagkakaiba nila. So, ang nakadiscover ng mga structure ng DNA and RNA is the American geneticist na si James Watson at ang British biophysicist na si Francis Crick noong 1953. Okay, so sa pairing naman tayo ng mga bases. So according sa findings ni Chargaff, just suggested to Watson and Crick that an adenine daw is always paired kay thymine and guanine naman is always paired with cytosine. At sa RNA naman is adenine and uracil ang pairing. At guanine is paired naman kay cytosine. Okay, so next is the function of DNA. Okay, so the function of DNA is the transmission of genetic information. It acts as a medium for long-term storage. So, ang DNA, ang function niya ay siya yung nag-i-instruct o nagbibigay ng impormasyon sa RNA. Okay, so the next is the function of RNA. So, the primary function of RNA is to create proteins via translation. So, the RNA carries genetic information that is translated by the ribosomes into various proteins necessary for cellular process. Okay, so ang function ng RNA is siya yung nagda-translate ng mga impormasyon na galing kay DNA. Siya yung messenger ng mga instruction ni DNA para makagawa ng proteins para sa growth development ng ating katawan. So, let's na So, let's mix. So, isipin natin na yung DNA makes the RNA and the RNA makes the proteins. Okay, so that's all for today. So, yun lang. Hanggang dito lang ang report ko. Thank you.